Today, we're diving into the world of hard-folding tonneau covers for the 2024 Ford F-150. Whether you're looking for security, style, or functionality, we've got you covered. We're exploring the best hard-folding tonneau covers for the 2024 Ford F-150. We'll cover everything from installation to the benefits and top picks. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a hard-folding tonneau cover? These covers are designed to protect your truck bed and its contents from weather, theft, and even improve your vehicle's aerodynamics. Made from durable materials like aluminum or fiberglass, they provide a sleek, low-profile look while offering maximum security. One of the biggest benefits of hard-folding tonneau covers is their ability to enhance the security of your cargo. Unlike soft covers, these are incredibly tough and difficult to break into. They also provide excellent weather protection, keeping your gear dry and safe from the elements. Another great advantage is improved fuel efficiency. By reducing wind drag, hard-folding covers can help you save on gas, especially during long highway drives. Installing a hard-folding tonneau cover might seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Most covers come with a clamp-on design, meaning no drilling is required. Let's go through the basic steps. Start by unboxing your cover and laying out all the components. Place the cover on your truck bed, aligning it properly. Attach the clamps to the truck bed rails and tighten them to secure the cover in place. Adjust the cover to ensure a snug fit and test it by folding and unfolding. Now let's take a look at some of the top hard-folding tonneau covers available for the 2024 Ford F-150. This cover is known for its robust construction and easy installation. It's perfect for those who prioritize security. This model offers a sleek design and excellent weather resistance, ideal for all types of climates. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality, this cover is a great choice. And there you have it. Hard-folding tonneau covers are an excellent investment for your 2024 Ford F-150, offering security, style, and efficiency. Which cover are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more automotive content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.